So, what do we got, sir?
We got leaf springs.
Leaf springs are in. That was a fight.
Yes. So, people, if you could think of a better way to do it, don't always listen to the boss. Nah, I'm just kidding. It was weird. It was a weird situation. He normally bolts
I
in
do
the
them in the
front,
front and then do the back.
do the back, but unfortunately these ones fronts had to be undone, get the backs all squared away, bushings all squared away, take the jack, kind of put it in the front, take a little pry bar, and perfect.
Now we got to get the springs to snap over the rest of the way.
Yeah,
To
so
the shackles.
yep. So as soon as I'm gonna tighten this guy up, I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Probably get my shocks to move over, bring him back down, put a jack right underneath the pumpkin. It'll bring the shackles right back up, and then I can bolt up the shocks. And then basically, besides tomorrow morning, I will be filling this bad boy up.
Put some gear oil in her.
And basically slapping the drive shaft back in. So, because another day we'll finish up the morning. Because tomorrow we need to get this 88 vet up.
Got to get the vet up and ready, and we got the 56 bird coming in for some little bit of stuff.
So hopefully, pretty much tomorrow, I'll put my normal 11 to 12 hour day in, and we'll get both those cars done. And either we'll wait for the stuff to come for the top to come in, and then this will come back in. Or if we can sneak it in and get the front end stuff done before, if that's going to take a little bit.
I'm sure we can get the front end stuff done, because that's the top is getting done the 18th.
Oh, okay, so we got a little bit of time. So yeah, as long as we get the 56 bird done tomorrow, the 88 vet done tomorrow, then basically I'll probably bring this bad boy back in, because we still got to look for the...
Oh, that's here.
I know, we just got to... unfortunately, that was just one item.
I'll find it.
Otherwise,
I'll find it tonight.
Otherwise, we've pretty much got everything else organized and beautiful. So, yeah, guys, that's where we're at right now.
Plugging away.
And, yeah.
Carry on. Here on T-Bird, real quick, I got a different set of U-bolts. Yeah, we're going to have to cut them. But the 8-inch ones, which, same as what came, they're just a hair too short to do what we want to do. So, these are 10s. Yeah, I'm going to have to cut them. Whatever. Burnsy will cut them. Somebody will cut them. But got them on. Got them all tight. I did use my pass-through set. So Burnsy used the damn pass-through set in the morning. But that'll get it done.